Hi, it's Judy. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for coming to visit me. If you're a returning guest, thank you so much. It means a lot to me. It means a lot to me to have everybody here and to watch these videos and spend a little of your time with me today. Please, if you haven't already, subscribe below. Those are the buttons down below. A big red says subscribe. Go ahead and click on that. If you want to be notified anytime I upload new content, then hit the bell. Today I wanted to share with you an unboxing I ordered from a company called Wishes Candle Company. I will put the link in below so you know where to find these wonderful candles. At least I'm hoping they're wonderful. They had great reviews. So I decided I was going to try them out. They're Disney-inspired candles. Now, it came packaged really, really good. I've opened the outside so I'd be able to get to it without having to struggle with it on film. As you can see, there's bubble wrap, and then the box is inside. So, thumbs up, Wishes, for great packaging. Okay. And then this is the box inside. Grab my scissors, because there's more tape on the box, of course. This didn't take long to get it all. I believe I ordered it on a Monday or Tuesday and I had it by Friday. So their turnaround time was really, really great. Okay, let's open this up. You can see what's inside of it. Okay. Oh, Halloween stickers. Thank you for your Wishes Candle Company order. Please enjoy these free stickers. Creepy Sheepy saved 10% at prettysheepy.com. Oh, that must be where the candles are from. I absolutely love Halloween, and these will be perfect in my journal. Aren't those cool? Thank you. Drink up me hearties, yo-ho. Oh, this one right here is going to have a very special place in my journal. And then there's one with the candle and their logo on it. That is so cool. Thank you. And then there's a card with a birthday cake candle inside. It says, thank you. Here are some helpful tips for your order. Do's and don'ts. Caution, never leave flame unattended or near children and pets. Ain't that the truth? Okay. So these candles are wrapped really, really well. They have the little... I'm making that face because I know someone who she's always called these ghost turds. And that's just always kind of stuck with me. So there's those in here, and then they're wrapped in bubble wrap as well. So let's get into this. The first one is animation. Animation, okay. So you can see that. Animation. We hope you enjoy your treasure hunt. Always be sure to let the silver prize become fully visible and put out the flame before removal. Never leave an... Oh, I forgot. Okay. Each one of these candles has a Disney pin inside of it. Now, this is animation. We stay at the Art of Animation 75% of the time that we visit Disney. So I saw this one. I'm like, oh, I don't know if it... animation as in the movies or animation as in the resort, but oh, I'll have to look up the description, but I wish you could smell it. And look, there's all sorts of glitter. There's so much glitter, it's on the cap even. Wow, I love that. It's kind of fruity, but not overwhelmingly fruit. Oh, I love that. This is animation. Now, I can't show you the pins, obviously, because I haven't burnt them. I'm sure you've seen jewelry, the ones with the rings and the jewelry inside of them. And this one, my favorite ride, Pirates of the Caribbean. So you know that when I saw Pirates Rum, whoops, I can't get things lined up this morning. Couldn't even get my nails lined up straight. Red glitter. Oh, I love this. that doesn't take me to Disney, but that takes me back to my grandmother's. Butterscotch and those little rum lifesavers, butter rum lifesavers, if you ever had those. I don't know if they even still make those. Oh, that, wow. Absolutely love that. That's Pirate's Rum. I love that. That's good. Every time I burn that, I have a feeling it's going to make me hungry. And this is the last one. Ah, honey. Here, pop, pop, pop of all the bubble wrap. And then I drop it. Whoops. Okay. And the last one is the Grand. The Grand Floridian. If you have ever been to the Grand Floridian, it is... I've never stayed there, but we do eat at 1900 Park Fair, and many of you know that my son was married, and the rehearsal dinner was at 1900 Park Fair, and then the reception was at the Grand Floridian. I love taking the monorail over and just, you know, walking around the lobby, listening to the piano, visiting the little shops. There's a Bath and Beauty shop in there. Okay, let me just open this up. And it does. It smells like the lobby of the Grand Floridian. And of course, pink glitter. Yay! I love glitter. Love, love, love glitter. In case you couldn't tell, I'm a glitter kind of girl. These are all hand poured and natural soy wax. These, wow, I couldn't be happier. You know, and the thought that when I burn them, there's also going to be a pin inside. Wow. Okay, so we got 3. We got the Grand, we got Animation, and Pirate's Rum. I am thrilled with these candles. These are wonderful. I'm sure in future videos you will see them burning on my table behind me. Wow. Okay, so I will list the information for Wishes Candle Company below in the description box. Go ahead and go on over to see them. I am thrilled, and I hope that you try them out. I think I have to say that the Grand, and I'm not usually a pink kind of girl, but I love the fragrance of this. I love the glitter. It has a very clean fragrance that is just wonderful. Again, I want to thank you for coming and visiting me today. Until next time, I hope you have a magical day. Bye.